Good morning, everyone. This is Aaron at hitchedforfun.com. Thanks so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all my subscribers. Please give us a like, a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, ask any questions. I'm the one that answers those, and so if I can do anything to help you have success with your Dutch oven cooking, please let me know. All right, I wanted to let you know about something new we've started. We have begun to ship Lodge Dutch oven starter kits, and I wanted to show you today what comes in a starter kit. So you'll start out by picking the size of oven you want. We have 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10 quart ovens, and everything else will be sized to match the oven that you pick. And my goal is to put a kit together that will give you all the basic stuff you need to start and have success. All you got to do is add some adventure, fun, briquettes, some food, and time, and you're sure to have success cooking in a Dutch oven. So, okay, so you'll come to the store, you'll pick the size oven you want based on your family and what you might be cooking. So the oven will come, it's a camp oven that has the legs so you can put the briquettes underneath and on the top with the rim. Each kit will come with a matching tote bag for your oven. That's wonderful. It'll help keep it clean, be able to store it, haul it in that bag. Also, we're including a Camp Dutch Oven cooking book, the 101 cooking book. Lots of great tips and helps for you, and some great easy beginner recipes to try as well. Each kit will come with a lid lifter so you don't burn those fingers, and a 4-in-1 tool. So the 4-in-1 tool is really cool too. It's a lid lifter, lid stand, cook stand, and a bail lifter as well. Really good when you're trying to preheat your oven. You know, set the lid to the side, put briquettes on the top, set it on this lid stand, and it can be getting warm without being in the dirt or anything like that. And plus, when you need to tend to your meal when you're cooking, opening and closing that oven, being able to put that off to the side. So I highly recommend the lid stand as well. And then, of course, the ever popular Lodge seasoning spray to keep your oven in top condition between meals, and then when you're cooking too, to keep things from potentially sticking and all that. So these are our starter kits. We're shipping them anywhere in the United States. Please give them a look. We've got a good deal on them, and hopefully it will save you money when you buy everything in one kit at one time. All right, thanks for your time. Have a great day. Again, this is Aaron at hitchedforfun.com. Bye-bye.